Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a braided ponytail, as you can see by the title. Okay, so to achieve this hairstyle you are going to need a few hair products. So first, obviously, you're going to need the hair. Okay, second, you're going to need gel or just anything that you use to lay your hair down. Third, I'm going to be using this ROS. It just helps lay down my hair. And fourth, I'll be using Got To Be. Next, I'm going to be using this edge control for my edges. Next, I'll be using shine gel for the actual braid. First, I'm going to start off by just combing my hair since it was in that bun. Next, I'm putting this olive oil lotion on it. I just always use this when I do slick back, so yeah, this is probably an extra step that you don't have to do. Okay, so now I'm going to be using Eco to actually slick that shit down, you know. Okay, so now I'm obviously just going to brush it, and this is just going to mold it into the shape of the low ponytail, and then put the ponytail holder on. Okay, so now I'm just going over my hair with the comb to just try and get the kinks out. They don't all come because my hair is curly, but yeah, that's what I do with the comb. Okay, so now I'm spraying it with the Eco, and this just gives it an even finish also, and it kind of helps with the kinks. Okay, so now I'm just tying a scarf around my head to lay it down while I do the braid. So for this braid, I used 2 bundles, and it came with 3 bundles, so I just put those 2 together, as you can see right here. Okay, so right here, you're going to want to get a hair tie and wrap it around one end of the bundle, so it's like on both ends. I don't know how to explain it, but you can see right here. Then I'm just rolling it twice, as you can see, and then pulling it through so that I have another little piece that I can use to tie around my hair. And it started to get nappy and in the way, but I ended up fixing it. So the new hole you have will be the hole you'll use to put your hair around the ponytail. Okay, so yours should look a little something like this. You'll just have it in the middle and have 2 pieces of hair on both sides, like I said earlier. Okay, so now when you're getting ready to put it in your hair, you're basically just gonna act as if you were just putting your hair in a normal ponytail and just putting it through, as you can see on the video. I don't really know how to explain that in words, but yeah, you can see it in the video. So now I'm going to be taking this shine and gem and putting it on my real hair to make it more slick, so there won't be any flyaways and it'll kind of blend with their hair more. Okay, so now I'm just going to start regular braiding. I'm going to keep my real hair behind so that if I do mess up, you won't be able to see it. And then I am going to leave one piece out so that I can use this to wrap around the ponytail holder so you won't be able to see it. Also, the faces I was making throughout this video, like the one you're looking at right now, are so hideous, so just don't look at my face. Okay, so you're gonna want to braid all the way down, literally like until you can't anymore, so that it'll be right once you wet it. I didn't end up wetting it because I was being lazy, but I recommend doing so because it gives you a way better finish. Okay, so now with the piece that you left out, you're gonna spray it with the Got To Be so that it'll make it like kind of sticky, and it'll like stick as you're wrapping it around. And basically I'm just gonna wrap it around the whole ponytail holder and keep spraying it as I go so that it won't come unraveled. So now right here, I'm just going to spray the Got To Be, and this just makes everything stay in place. Okay, so here's the braid for the next day. It's pretty late. You see it, period. So yeah, that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you know how to do a braid now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and follow me on all my socials on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.